Are you tired of feeling frustrated and stuck in your manifestation journey? Have you tried numerous techniques, but still can't seem to attract what you desire? Well, what if I told you that the problem might not lie in the techniques themselves, but rather in your attachment to the outcome? Intrigued? Keep watching because I'm about to share a powerful technique that will transform your life in a matter of days. Welcome, friends, to our channel, where we delve into the teachings of Neville Goddard and explore the fascinating world of the law of assumption and the law of attraction. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss out on our enlightening videos. Now let's get down to business. Neville Goddard suggested a technique called the knot technique, which is often overlooked but holds immense power. It's not just a technique, it's a skill that you can master. The concept behind it is simple yet profound. Needing nothing manifests everything. Let me break it down for you. The knot technique is a powerful skill to master if you want to manifest your desires and bypass the subconscious mind's resistance. This approach requires practice, patience, and trust in order to detach from the current feeling of needing and wanting something we desire so that everything comes without us requiring it. We must learn how to be relaxed and content while still knowing what we want from life. Being in this receiving state will bring about what we want instantly when there's no attachment or need attached to it. Neville Goddard also taught that if we can just let go of our attachment and expectations around getting what we need or want instantly, then it comes naturally, even if there were efforts put forth into achieving those goals previously as well. This is because when we relinquish control over how things will come about in our lives, then our own personal energy can be used for other things, like connecting with gratitude or visualizing success, instead of worrying about how something will happen for us. The knot technique is all about mastering detachment from outcomes so that they can come into our lives quickly without any mental blocks or resistance. With practice and patience, this skill helps you unlock abundance effortlessly. By detaching from expected outcomes and focusing on feeling good, grateful, and abundant, we can manifest our desires more easily. Don't take mistakes too seriously. Remember that mistakes exist only for learning and improvement. Make your manifestation mean nothing by not wanting or needing it. Simply focus on feeling good instead of obsessing over having something. This will lower resistance levels and make manifesting easier to achieve. Detaching from the outcome also allows you to become more grateful for what you already have. Realize that worth isn't linked to material possessions, and it can be a life-changing mindset shift. Take a few moments every day to appreciate how far you've come and all that surrounds you now. This will help make the law of attraction work even better for your manifestations. Visualization is also an important part of this process. Imagine yourself already having what you want without any attachments or expectations. Feel those emotions as often as possible throughout the day until they become second nature. Then watch as abundance finds its way into your life. Affirmations linked with powerful feelings can also help increase vibrations, so repeat them daily until they become part of your subconscious. Next is gratitude. Gratitude is an attitude of abundance, focused on what we have rather than what we lack. Neville Goddard believed it was fundamental to manifestation success in life, as it attracts more positive experiences over time. So how do we practice gratitude and use it for successful manifestation? First, be grateful for the people and experiences that currently exist in your life. Everything has been a blessing that has allowed you to grow. When we shift our mindset from lack and scarcity towards openness and possibility, it makes manifesting what we want easier. One way to do this is by using Neville Goddard's knot technique, where you focus on not needing something instead of wanting it. This helps us stay open without attachment. Daily gratitude also brings us into alignment with our true selves, allowing us to attract more of the blessings already existing in our lives without having a need or expectation attached to them. When combined with detached outcome visualization, living in the end state, it amplifies the power of manifestation even further, exponentially increasing your ability for success. Free yourself from expectations surrounding manifestation outcomes, as things may not always turn out exactly as planned. Accept every turn gracefully. As long as you keep a grateful heart open, opportunities will arise, helping you overcome any challenges along your journey. So embrace these moments with faith, knowing they are part of life's plan meant for growth. The power of gratitude is a potent tool for unlocking abundance and manifesting desired outcomes. As explained, gratitude plays a crucial role in the law of attraction by affirming the possibility of achieving one's desires and strengthening one's manifestation power. Gratitude must transcend mere actions and be genuinely felt in the heart, radiating throughout one's entire being. When we express gratitude for something we aspire to, it activates the law of attraction, bringing us closer to it. By embodying the feeling of abundance while expressing gratitude, we attract more positive experiences and enhance our manifestation power. Focusing on the positive aspects already present in our lives can lead to greater abundance. Giving thanks for current circumstances also helps manifest desired outcomes in future endeavors. Acknowledging all forms of love, even outside romantic relationships, affirms our worthiness when manifesting our dream relationship or seeking success in existing ones. True appreciation extends to both tangible and intangible aspects, such as moments, feelings, and emotions. Noticing the beauty in daily routines allows new blessings to enter our lives. Recognizing how each choice made along our journey impacts our future outlook empowers us to overcome emotional blocks that hinder potential manifestations. In this way, gaining insight into intended results beforehand supports better applications afterward. According to Goddard, when we attach ourselves too strongly to a particular outcome or desire, we create an energy block that prevents us from manifesting it more easily. This is because our focus shifts away from what we already have and onto what we lack. This creates a feeling of lack, which can cause resistance towards allowing in new abundance. In order for us to unlock our potential for receiving more abundance, it's necessary to detach from the desired outcome and open ourselves up by being grateful for what is already present in our lives. Letting go of the need for a particular outcome can be done in several ways. Firstly, by releasing any attachments or expectations tied up with the desire itself. Secondly, through statements such as "I don't want it" or "that's not for me." This helps us shift away from focusing on lack and instead move towards gratitude and appreciation, creating space within which manifestations can occur naturally. Trust should be placed in the process itself, rather than trying hard to force things into being before their time has come. See this as an opportunity to practice surrendering control over outcomes, freeing you up energetically. So friends, we can create a sense of abundance by expressing gratitude, appreciation, and joy in our lives. This will help us stay focused on what we do have, rather than constantly longing for what we don't have at this moment in time. Additionally, all experiences, good or bad, are opportunities for growth and transformation if we shift our perspective to see the blessings behind them. Visualization techniques, such as imagining how good it feels after achieving a goal, can also help set up powerful experience-based triggers within ourselves, which will bring more abundance into our lives. Developing a growth mindset through using affirmations helps keep us focused on manifesting our dreams, while also staying open-minded about any setbacks or challenges that might come along the way. With these tools, gratitude, appreciation, visualization, and affirmations combined together, you are well equipped to unlock your fullest potential through effortless manifestation. From today, let go of expectations around outcomes and start enjoying the journey towards fulfillment now. Thanks for watching the video till the end. God bless you.